Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make lump-free amala, otherwise known as amala without cocoa, Amala Fele Fele, Amala Buka. This method has never failed me. If you always want to achieve soft and smooth amala, then this video is for you. Without further ado, let's get started. In a pot, add 2 cups of yam flour, also known as ewedu. Add some water. The water should be at room temperature. Mix thoroughly. Add more water. In total, I used about 2 cups of water. Keep mixing until you achieve this consistency and set aside. Bring 2 cups of water to a boil. Place the mixture over medium-low heat. Gently pour some hot water over the yam flour mixture, stirring briskly with a wooden spoon as you pour the hot water. I used about 1.5 cups of hot water. Cover the pot with a lid and allow to boil slightly. When it starts to bubble up, stir the mixture as it cooks. Don't be alarmed by the look of the mixture while it's cooking. These are not lumps, otherwise known as cocoa. The mixture cooks from the base of the pot, so it's all part of the cooking process. It will soon form a thick, smooth, and soft consistency that we desire. Continue to turn and pull the amala until it finally forms. Now, reduce to low heat and add a little bit of hot water. The quantity of water to add depends on how thick or soft you want your amala. Cover with a lid and allow to steam cook for about 4 to 5 minutes. After about 4 minutes of steaming, continue to turn and pull the amala until you achieve the softness and smoothness you prefer. Amala Fele Fele is ready. Serve with your preferred soup such as gbegiri, ewedu, okro, egusi soup, ogbono, and the list goes on. you are not subscribed to this channel, please click on the subscribe button and turn on your notification bell. And if you like this video, please click on the like button, share this video with everyone, and leave a comment below if you end up trying out this method of making amala. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.